Hey, here are 10 quick hot tub tips to keep your spa clean, safe, and running smoothly. 1. Drop tennis balls in the water to absorb oils, lotions, and hair products. 2. Wipe your cover with diluted bleach once a week to prevent mildew smells. 3. Set a timer when refilling. Overflowing is a mess no one wants. 4. Heat and run your tub during off-peak electricity hours to save money. 5. Use white vinegar to clean jets and water lines. Cheap and effective. 6. Turn off air valves while heating or adding chemicals. It helps both work better. 7. Use test strips weekly to keep water balanced and safe. 8. Drain and refill every 3 to 4 months. You wouldn't bathe in the same water forever. 9. Clean your filters weekly, deep clean monthly, and soak them quarterly. 10. Always keep key chemicals on hand: sanitizers, pH adjusters, and test strips. For more tips, pop to aquashore.co.uk. Share this with a fellow spa owner, and as always, happy soaking.